Any individual maintaining a listening watch on a bridge-to-bridge radio telephone must be able to blank. A. Speak a language the vessel's crew will understand. B. Speak English. C. Repair the unit. D. Send Morse code. Which of the following statements about firemen's attire is true under the laws for cargo vessels? A. If a vessel carries what outfits they may be stored in the same location. B. Each fireman's outfit shall contain a fresh air breathing apparatus. C. Each fireman's outfit shall contain a flame safety lamp of an approved type. D. All of the above. When a tank measuring 60 feet in length and 30 feet in width is equipped with a centerline bulkhead and partially filled with salt water, what is the decrease in metacentric height caused by free surface? The displacement of the vessel is 10,000 tons. A. 0.8 foot. B. 0.1 foot. C. 1.2 feet. D. 1.0 foot. When a vessel is in distress, it should transmit 2 alarm signals via radio telephone, promptly followed by the blank. A. Spoken words, Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. B. Distress position. C. Ship's call letters. D. Ship's name. After removing someone from an electrical source who has been rendered unconscious by electric shock, you should blank. A. Check for serious burn on the body. B. Administer ammonia-smelling salts. C. Massage vigorously to restore circulation. D. Determine if he is breathing. Blank determines how the free surface affects initial stability. A. The dimensions of the liquid surface and the vessel's displacement. B. The amount of liquid in the compartment. C. The vertical position of the liquid in the vessel. D. Only the length of the compartment. Using an all-purpose nozzle, you would blank to get low-velocity fog. A. Simply move the handle to the vertical position on the nozzle. B. Attach the bronze nozzle tip to the fog outlet of the nozzle. C. Attach an applicator to the nozzle in place of the bronze nozzle tip. D. Attach an applicator to the solid stream outlet on the nozzle. The following are the treatment for heat exhaustion, blank. A. Bathing with rubbing alcohol. B. Moving to shaded area and laying down. C. Placing with rubbing alcohol. D. All of the above. Small passenger ships must be built with or lined with blank for paint and oil lockers. A. Fiberglass. B. Steel or equivalent material. C. Marine plywood. D. Sheetrock, asbestos, or other material that retards the spread of fire. What gear is required for oily mixtures on ocean-going boats ranging in size from 100 GT to 00 GT? A. A potable system to discharge oily mixtures to a reception facility. B. A fixed system to discharge the slops overboard. C. A fixed system to discharge oily mixtures to a reception facility. D. A portable system to discharge he slops overboard. Garbage discharged by vessels located 3 to 12 nautical miles from the nearest shore must be ground is subject to Annex V to Marple 73/78 and must not exceed blank. A. 2 inches. B. 1 inch. C. 1 1/4 inches. D. 1 1/2 inches. On a MODU, a continuous waterproof bulkhead can also be a blank. A. Centerline bulkhead. B. Structural bulkhead. C. Exterior bulkhead. D. Centerline bulkhead. The blank must contain a list of the kinds and strengths of steels utilized on a MODU. A. Builder's documentation. B. Certificate of inspection. C. Construction portfolio. D. General plans. A center gauge is used in machine shop practice to verify the angle of blank. A. Screw threads. B. Drill points. C. 60-degree thread cutting tools. D. Screw thread pitch. Which of the following best describes a striker or double plate's function? A. Prevents valve seam over travel. B. Provides a surface for the application of force or the installation of machinery. C. Provides landing surface for the sounding bob of a tank sounding tap. D. Absorbs machinery vibration. The general byproducts of oxidation caused by hydraulic IL water contamination are blank. A. Harmless and have no effect on system components. B. Removed by cellulose-type filters. C. Gums, varnishes, and acids. D. Always neutralized by oil additives. In terms of MODU construction, the quarters bulkheads are typically blank. A. Continuous. B. Non-structural. C. Watertight. D. Structural. Which of the following fittings has to be used when installing pipework so that the pump can be removed for maintenance? A. Union. B. Coupling. C. Nipple. D. Quick disconnect. The sizing of tubing is blank. A. Cross-section area. B. Allowed working pressure. C. Nominal outside diameter. D. Nominal inside diameter. When a refrigeration compressor is short-cycled, blank is meant. A. frequently starting and sopping. B, frequently grounding out. C, running too slow. D, running too fast. In the case of a flash-type evaporator, a high reading at a salinity cell situated in the loop seal between two stages would suggest blank. A, carryover in the first stage. B, chill shocking is necessary to remove scale. C, leakage at the second stage condenser. D, faulty operation of the brine overboard pump. The normal usage of the emergency bilge suction valve is blank. A, if the bilges become flooded and they cannot be emptied by any other means. B, to inject cleaning additives when the bilges are extremely dirty. C, when the main condenser becomes fouled in order to provide additional cooling water circulation. D, to connect the rose box to the independent bilge suction. Ace the USCG exam. Whether you're aspiring to become a Coast Guard officer, pass the auxiliary exams, or advance in your Coast Guard career, our USCG practice test resources are designed to help you succeed. We understand the challenges of preparing for such a rigorous exam, and our goal is to provide you with the tools and support needed to boost your confidence and achieve your goals. USCG exam tips and techniques. Establish a study schedule. Utilize USCG practice tests. Focus in key topics. Utilize effective study techniques. Seek additional resources.